morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm Shazia. I'm your teacher. We'll begin with math class. Are you ready? Today we will learn counting. Be ready with your files, notebook, sharpened pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Hello toddlers, open your math file and take out page number 49. Which page you have to open? You have to open page number 4949. Have you opened? Very good. You know the numbers from 41 to 50, isn't it? Now we are going to fill the missing numbers. Here you can see some rows with numbers with missing numbers. We have to fill them. Okay. Now sit properly with your back straight and take out your sharpened pencil. Now look here. Which number is this? Yes, 41. Now tell me what's come after 41. Correct, 42, which is missing here. So write 4 to 42. 4 to 42. Have you written? So what's come after 42? Good, it's 43, which is already written here. So now tell me what's come after 43. Excellent, it's 44, which is missing here. So write 44. 44. 41, 42, 43, 44. We have to write the numbers in order. When we write in order, we will get the missing number. You got it? Now come to the next row. Look here, there is no number. So move here. Which number is it? Which number is this? Yes, 42. So tell me what's come before 42. Very good. It's 41. So write here 41. 41. 41, 42. What's come after 42? Well done. 43, which is missing here. So write here 43. 43. What's come after 43? It's 44, which is already written here. So 41, 42, 43, 44. These numbers are in order. Now do it fast. I am waiting. Shall I move to the next row? Now tell me which number is this? Yes, 44. So tell me what's come after 44? Good, it's 45, which is missing here. We will fill it. So write here 45, 45. 4, 5, 45. Now tell me what's come after 45? It's 46, which is written here. We don't have to write. So tell me what's come after 46? Excellent. It's 47, which is missing here. So fill it 47. Write 4, 7, 47. Done. 44, 45, 46, 47. Now do it fast and do it neat and clean. Your writing should come good. If you made wrong, use eraser. Okay. Now we will move to the next row. You can see there is no number. Now which number is this? Good. It's 46. So what's come before 46? Good. It's 45. So write here 4, 5, 45. All of you have done? Now 45, 46. What's come after 46? Very nice. It's 47, which is missing here. So write here 47. 4, 7, 47. Now you can tell me the next number. Good. It's 48, which is already written here. You don't have to write. Now look here. 45, 46, 47, 48. I have completed my row. It's your turn to complete it. Now the remaining rows are your homework. You have to complete it later and click the pictures and send it on the WhatsApp group. Okay. Now proceed to page number 5050. It's an activity time. You know the activity? Okay, I will tell you. Now look here. You can see lots of apples, isn't it? Some apples are with numbers and some apples are without numbers. Okay. And you know the counting from 1 to 20 very well. Okay. So we have to, now here we have to fill the missing numbers in these apples. Okay, now shall we start? Okay, sit properly and take out your sharpened pencil. What you can see in this apple? Yes, number 1. Then another apple. Very good. It's number 2. And you can see in this apple there is no number. Can you tell me which number we have to write? So, okay. Now tell me what's come after 2. Very good. 3. So we will write 3 in this apple. Okay. Now write number 3. Have you done? Very good. Now tell me what's come after 3. Correct. It's number 4. We will write number 4 in this apple. Now you got it what we have to do? we have to move in order from 1 to 20. Now come to the next row. Now which number is this? Good, it's number 5, and this apple is again empty, and you can fill it by telling what's come after number 5. So tell me what's come after number 5. Excellent, it's number 6. So write here number 6. Fill this apple with number 6. Now again the next apple is empty. So what you will do? You will do what come after 6? What come after 6? Very nice, it's 7. So write here 7. Fill this apple with number 7. And another apple, you can see the number 8 is already written here. So tell me what's come after 8? 9, which is already written here. After 9, it's 10. It's also written here. Then the next number is? Good, it's 11. So we will write 11 in this apple. Write 11 here. Have you written? Now tell me what we will write in this empty apple. Just count what's come after 11. Good, number 12. So write 1 to 12. Fill this apple with number 12. Move to the next apple. You can see the number 13 is here. So we have to tell the next number, and which is 14. Very good. So write in this apple number 14. Are you enjoying? Very good. Now you can see the empty apple, and we have to fill it. So what come after 14? Good, it's 15. So fill it with number 15. And the next apple is, you can see the next apple. Yes, the number 16 is written here. Now we have to move the next apple. Again the number is written here already, which is 1, 7, 17. We have to move the empty apple. We have to fill it. What we have to fill? What we have to write here? We will write what's come after 17. So tell me what's come after 17. Excellent, it's 1, 8, 18. So write here 1, 8, 18. What come after 18? It's 19, which is already written here. Move to the next apple, which is empty, and we have to fill it. So tell me what's come after 19? Well done, it's 2, 0, 20. So write here 2, 0, 20. I have completed the whole page. Did you enjoy this activity? I enjoy a lot. Now what you have to do, you have to click the picture and send it on the WhatsApp group.